Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Druids Den. Just wanted to do a little home update and tour so you guys can kind of see where we're at the start of 2024 here. So as you can see, the grass is starting to green up. But for starters, we'll take a look over here. So here I've got I believe it's a Brazos blackberry. It's starting to leaf out, it's looking great. Here we've got the Gala apple tree. And then down here we just planted this little fig here, so hopefully it'll do well this year. And then I started from seed for just about everything. So in here we've got like morning glory and it's like a purslane, and then just like a mixed seed mix for like wildflowers and stuff. So hopefully that'll look nice. Same thing in all these pots as well. So they're just getting going, but save me a lot of money rather than buying already grown plants here. Then over here we've got some of our like different lettuces and radish, and we've got a sunflower there in the middle, some potatoes and onions in the back, just a little bit of everything. Some more onions in that square planter, and then this here I set up a bit of fence here for the cucumbers to climb. So this is going to be just nothing but cucumbers back here. So our new chicken coop we got moved over here. It's holding up well. And yeah, back over here, just our blackberries and our strawberries. See, we got the blackberries over here, starting to leaf out. They look great. Those are just the wild ones. And then, yeah, down here we've got our strawberries coming up. Only a few flowers right now, so we'll have some fruit soon. And we'll take a look at some of the other things I've got growing here. Some spineless prickly pear down there, pineapple, aloe vera. Here's lemon tree, and then just a bunch of herbs I've got just starting over here. That's about it out here. Oh yeah, and I got this big tank here. That's gonna be a project soon. All right, take a look inside. So I change it so often in here, I'm not sure how different it is from last time I showed y'all, but you know, got everything nice and tidy in here. You do have the new backsplash in the kitchen, which I'm really proud of. If y'all want to see how I did that, I've got another video. I'll put the link in the description for you. So that's the living room. Start heading to the back here. I'll show y'all. I put a little bit of backsplash in the bathroom as well. It's just about the same in here though, so yeah, I think that turned out great. Really happy with it. Got the shower, some stuff that's been hiding out since the beginning of winter. I'm gonna be bringing all that out here soon. Closet's pretty much same old, you know. And here's the bedroom. So yeah, just a few decoration changes, but that's about it. Brought the desk back here now, so we've got our computers that can work back here. Yeah, constantly making progress out here. I still need to put the deck on the outside of this patio door. That's one of the last projects I've got. And I'm gonna turn that tub out there into a hot tub. But yeah, you'll see that soon enough. Video, I'm sure I'm gonna be working on that this summer, so we'll get that put out. But yeah, that's about it for now. I'm definitely going to keep y'all posted on how well the garden does and everything. I think we're gonna have a lot more fruits and vegetables than ever before this year, so I'm really excited about it. And we'll do videos on everything with that. I'm gonna be pickling cucumbers, making a blackberry wine, a few different things. So I'm very excited about that. Oh, and here's our cat Boo up here. Got a room to herself. But yeah. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. I should have another video on the 12 by 24 house out next week. So we'll see you then. All right, bye.